Want to see how I got this really easy eyeshadow look using the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette? It's super simple and perfect for the summertime. But first, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Done? Okay, now let's get into this tutorial. So I'm going to go into my crease with the shade Mulan, I believe. I hope I'm pronouncing these right. So I'm using a fluffy brush. I don't know the name of the brand. It's come off by now. But I'm using this fluffy brush and using windshield wiper motions. I'm applying the color to my crease and blending at the same time. You want to make sure that you keep applying more eyeshadow until you get the intensity that you want. I really like for my crease colors to pop, so I'm packing it on here as you can see. But the key to making sure that your eyeshadow look is intense and vibrant and that you really can see what you're doing is to pack on the eyeshadow. Don't be scared to pack it on. Next, I'm going to take the shade Zulu and I'm just going to go over that and kind of warm it up a little bit more. Y'all, these eyeshadows are so pigmented, like so pigmented. Gorgeous. I'm going to take another fluffy brush, nothing on it, and just blend those edges out. That already looks pretty. You could really just leave it here. Like, ugh. Pretty. I love ya. Yeah, I want to use that. So I'm going to wet my brush a little bit. And this is a setting spray from CoverGirl. It's the CoverGirl Lock It Up All Day Setting Spray. I'm just going to spray my brush. And this is just a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take this shade Cabo and pack it onto my lid. And I wet the brush just to give the eyeshadow a bit more intensity. Next, I am going to take this, it's like a brick color. It's called Aria, I believe. Yeah, Ada. I'm sorry, y'all. I told you I need my glasses. I'm going to take the shade Ada and I'm going to just go right above that orange color and just add a little bit more dimension right in here. Quick eyeshadow brush tip. When choosing what brush to use, make sure that the size of the brush matches the size of the area that you're working in. You want to use smaller brushes for smaller parts of your eye and bigger brushes for the larger parts of your eye. You'll notice that for this, I'm using a much smaller blending brush than before because the area that I'm working in is pretty small and I want it to be really precise. I'm just gonna go back in with that fluffy brush that has nothing on it and blend out the edges. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that shade Zulu. I'm gonna go right above here just to further help blend that out. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, so I'm gonna line my eyes with, I believe this is MAC gel liner. Use any gel liner or liner pencil you prefer. I just prefer to use cream. And I'm going to use a cream pencil in my waterline. am going to go back underneath my eyes with the shades Zulu and Fulani. I am going to highlight using the Glam Galore Club Cosmetics highlight in the shade Sugar Daddy. This is my favorite highlight to use this summer. And I'm going to use the same highlight shade in the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm also going to use it underneath my brow bone as well. And here's the final look. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!